Hi guys, welcome to Gladitech. In this video, we're talking about how to turn off professional mode on this video. So if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on your subscription button and hit your notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload videos. I do videos on app related issues and how to make money online. So for you to be able to turn off your professional mode if you don't need it again, this is what you have to do. Tap on your profile, the picture profile here. Tap on this three dots here. Now you will see all this feature. You see this one says turn off professional mode. So when you tap it, it says turn off professional mode. Review important changes before you turn off professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode anytime. So just tap on continue. Tap on turn off. So now professional mode turned off successfully. So I have turned off my professional mode. Anytime I wish to turn it up, I can turn it on, I can do it again. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.